Good morning, class. Today we're going to look at experiment 14.1, how to wire a plug correctly. So this is your typical Irish cable and plug. With the cable we have three wires: the brown wire, which is the live wire, the yellow/green wire, which is the earth, and the blue wire, which is neutral. This is your typical socket with the three terminals: the live terminal, the neutral terminal, and the earth terminal, and the fuse will fit here at the end. As you can see, the wires are cut at three different lengths so they fit correctly inside. So first of all, we're going to start with the live terminal and connect it up. So as you can see, the wee brass hole there, we fit it in there and then tighten. That's in a little bit too far, so we just take it back out so it fits in correctly. There we go. And tighten. Next wire, we're going to look at the earth, which is placed in the top earth terminal. The earth is used to take away any stray current away from the socket. Perfect. And finally, the neutral. Take your time with all three to make sure they're correctly fastened. Make sure once again, brown wire, the live wire, is connected in this socket. The neutral, the blue wire, is connected to the left terminal, and the earth is connected to the top. Finally, we put in our fuse, and then the cover, and tighten. And there is our socket done correctly.